Are you ready to level up your DevSecOps skills? The journey starts here. Whether you're beginning with LearnChef tutorials, diving deep with LearnChef Premium, or looking to validate your expertise with LearnChef Certify, your first step is to create a Progress Education Community, or PEC, account. This is your gateway to personalized learning. Start with LearnChef tutorials, where you'll find free courses to kick off your DevSecOps journey. Click on a course that interests you, and you'll be directed to PEC. Create a new account or log in, and your learning path will be available with free access to valuable resources. If you're a seasoned DevOps professional ready to validate your skills, head to the LearnChef Certify page. Choose between Associate Chef and Executive Chef certifications. Click Get Certified Now, and you'll be directed to PEC to sign up and complete payment. A confirmation email will then unlock everything you need for your certification journey. For those looking for an extensive but flexible learning experience, LearnChef Premium is your go-to. Visit the Premium page, review the details, and when you're ready, click Buy LearnChef Premium now. This guides you to PEC, where you can sign up or log in, complete your payment, and unlock all the premium resources tailored to your pace and schedule. If you prefer a hands-on interactive learning environment, then the instructor-led training is for you. Start by clicking Read More on any course to explore the summary, syllabus, and prerequisites. Next, click Register for class, select your time zone, and view upcoming sessions. Once you find the course that fits your needs, click Register Now, complete your registration, and proceed to payment. You'll receive a confirmation email and can join the live class at the scheduled time. And there you have it. That's how you start with LearnChef. If you have any questions or need a customized learning path for your organization, we're here to help. Just reach out to us at LearnChef@progress.com.